Prepare the evacuation immediately!
Hello everyone, this is Artemis from Tarantula News, and today we have a rather sad story on the case. The president has been killed.
He was a great man. Farewell, President Vanderhall.